me to take this opportunity po na as of this time, no, I hope na within the year, the NAPOLCOM can also come up with yung tinatawag po namin na Public Disclosure Protection Policy. Ano po yung Public Disclosure or Whistleblower actually Protection Policy? Para sa inyo po yun, one of the pinaka-important po talaga na nakam up ng National Police Commission is our manual on PNP Media Relations. But in coordination with the United Nations Office of Drug and Crime, the NAPOLCOM is currently working also doon po sa public disclosure na protection policy. Para like sa media, ano naman po yung magagawa ng PNP and the NAPOLCOM na when you release information, hindi kayo papagalitan ng kung sino man yung agencies na or PNP na tinutukoy natin, na hindi naman tayo iharas kasi nga medyo against yung naging post natin. So these are the protections na we want to afford sa inyo. Kaya po we came up with number one, yung po yung PNP Media Rule, PNP Rules on Media Relations. And second, yung ginagawa po ng National Police Commission ngayon na Public Disclosure Protection Policy or the Whistleblower Protection Policy. Kasi nga po, saan po kami kumukuha ng information is through you. Sa inyo po kami kumukuha. Kaya kami po, as part of our responsibility, we also somehow, kaya nga napag-usapan doon, what's the difference between confidentiality and anonymity? Isa po yun sa pag-usapan namin. Ano yung pagkakaiba ng confidentiality and anonymity? Kasi ang laki po niyang pagkakaiba. That's one of the concern po doon sa whistleblower or public disclosure protection policy that the National Police Commission is trying to formulate as of now. And we expect na with the help of the UNODC, lalabas na po yun within the year. So that is how we really want to recognize yung value ng media natin, and that is how serious the National Police Commission also in strengthening or empowering our media members, and at the same time, how to protect it po kayo. Para hindi naman po tayo nahalalagay pa natin sa alangan. Kaya we'll be engaging mga speakers later. Magkakaroon po tayo ng mga follow-through ng mga activities para at least kung paano tayo probably mag-post. No? We have the members from the PIA na who can help para at least nakukuha natin. Kung gusto natin na medyo technical pa, we can further invite kung paano tayo maging technical. Isasama po natin yon. Pero we will do it gradually po. Kasi hindi po namin talaga kaya rin na isang pasadahan din. Ma-overwhelm din tayo. Yan. But we are happy na on a regular basis, nagkakaroon po tayo ng mga engagement, interactions such as this. Kasi kahit kami, ayaw rin po namin na magtatago sa inyo ng information. So, yung lahat po ng mga information na dapat maglaman ng public, no, dapat ready rin po talaga. That's part of public accountability. That's the commitment that we have, and that's the instruction of our Vice Chair Executive Officer. Yung commitment to public interest, commitment to integrity and accountability.